Hi, my name is Tyler Allen. I am currently the intern here at Marc School of Woodworking. I was here for a month back in April and am doing 2 more months now through the end of September. I've had a fantastic experience here. Marc has done a fantastic job of cultivating an amazing community here and has brought in some of the best instructors from across the world in their respective fields. Yeah, so I've taken a number of courses so far. One of the courses was actually the post and beam project, which we have behind us here. A class last year built the base structure. And then this year we actually formed the roofing and support structure for the trusses there. Yeah, so this has been an absolutely amazing experience from top to bottom. Just the community that is here, the experience, the different stories and the bonds that you get to make with people is just absolutely exceptional. And I'm gonna have some friends here for the rest of my life. So if you are interested in getting some experience and some knowledge in the field of woodworking, I highly recommend you go check out marcadams.com and click the link below if you want to learn more about the internship program.